Hi, I'm Rian, the team manager of Team Marlin. Welcome back to this series where I take you through how to build an F1 Tools entry class car in OnShape. If you haven't already, go back to watch the first 4 videos where I take you through the basics of OnShape and how to make the main body, nose cone and side pods. In this video I'm going to take you through how to make the wheels of the car, which are an essential part of the aerodynamics. I hope you enjoy. Before we begin this video, I'd like to give a huge shout out to Veritas who have kindly funded our journey in this competition. You can check out their website at veritasinvestment.co.uk. So the first thing you want to do when making the wings is to create a plane which you're going to sketch on and then extrude into the car. This is much easier than trying to sketch onto curved surfaces. So we're going to go to the mirror line, and then going to go to the plane tool, make sure it's on offset, and then you want to swap the arrows so it's going this side of the car, and then you want to make it around 35 millimeters. You can always edit this plane length later. This will edit the wingspan of your wings, so make sure it's in line with your rules and regs. So then you can go to the plane, Shift F, and enter the camera, and then we're going to start with the rear wings. So for the rear wings, we're going to make a simple shape. So just going to use 2 lines and some arcs. So just going to like this, and then go down and across, make sure it's hovering, and then like this. Then we're just going to delete the side line. I'm going to use the arc tool, or the 3-point arc, which is the A key. I'm just going to create a simple arc, and then you can see there's a little sign hovering up which shows it's a tangent. Once you've done that, you can go to Shift E or the extrude tool, and then just going to, instead of blind, going to go up to next. And this will make sure that it goes straight into the car and joins the car, but doesn't go into the CO2 canister holder. Then once it's merged, and make sure it's on add, you can click the tick button. And then we can add some kind of wing plates. So shift left onto the end of the wing, and swivel the camera. I'm going to use the offset tool. So the offset tool is over here, or the O key, and you can just click on all of these lines. And then click enter, and then you can enter the offset. So we're going to go with the 1mm offset. Then you can click the Shift E button or extrude tool. We only want a millimeter long wing plate. What you can also do to this wing plate is fillet it if you want, so give it an even smoother edge. Then for the front wing, we're going to go for a slightly more complex shape. So again on the plane one, we're going to go Shift S and then N. And then we're going to go onto this area for the front wings. So we're going to create an aerofoil shape. To do this, we're going to use the spline tool. So I'm going to start with the point of the aerofoil. I'm going to go for a downward facing one. So just create a simple aerofoil. Again, you can play around in online simulator to find the best aerofoil shapes and angle. You can move these points along to find suitable aerofoil width. So I'm going to go with this, click the Shift E or extrude button, and then again I'm going to go add up to next, which will stop it interfering with the tail line guide, and then make sure it's not merging with the part, and click tick. I'm going to create another wing plate. So again onto the ends of the wing, Shift S, and then N, swivel the camera over the offset tool, click this. So with blinds it's slightly more harder to create offsets, so we're going to go for a 1mm offset. Just make sure it's something you like. You can always change it or edit it and do it manually if you want a sharper edge. So I'm going to go extrude, and extrude the wing and the wing plate out just 1mm. So once you've got your wings, we can start just finishing up on the car. So we can add fillets everywhere. So I might add some fillets to the side pods. So you may want to add fillets here. Like this. And then back here. So you may want to make them circular, and you can make them as big as you want. So once you finish your car, you can go to the mirror function, and you can click on the part. The mirror plane will be the mirror line face, and then make sure it's on add, and then merge with all, and then click the tick. This will create the car. So if there's any parts you want to edit or change, like sketches, extrusions, lofts, or fillets, you can just go to the kind of timeline and just double click on anything. You can edit it. So for example, I may think that my wings are slightly too long, so I'm just going to go to the plane and make it 30 instead. You can see that this will edit the final car to make shorter wings. Thank you for watching, and we hope you enjoyed and learned something new. Remember to like and subscribe for more videos on F1 in schools about CAD, soils, graphic design, aerodynamics, and much more.